Do you know that if you give yourself 20 minutes, you can clean the forgotten areas in your home using only washing up liquid? Join me today as I show you all the areas that I will be cleaning today using. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you all the places that I can clean using this one product. So sometimes I know I do show different cleaning products around the house that you can use for different areas, but today I'm going to be showing you any washing up liquid. It doesn't necessarily have to be this one particularly. So join me today and let's dive right in. Just gonna pour some. I thought it would be more fun if I set a timer for 20 minutes to see all the areas that I can do in 20 minutes. I'm going to start by cleaning the radiators. These are some of the areas that I always forget to clean, and sometimes a lot of buildup and dust does get collected by the radiators. So today's time I'm gonna give myself that 20 minutes to tackle them. I'm going to do the stairs, so like the handrails of the stairs, that also gets a lot of usage, dust, fingerprints, everything, so tackle that as well. And then the next is going to be the windowsill, so I'm going to open up the curtains, and a lot of dust does get collected on there as well, and I always forget to clean it, especially because it's near the radiators as well, so tackle that. Next area is the door. So this is like high heavy traffic usage every single day. We open and close the doors. Doing those areas are taking me 10 minutes and I still have 10 more minutes to go. I'm now going to tackle our fake plants because obviously I hoover all the time, but I think a lot of dust does get left on those plants, so I'm just going to wipe the dust away just using washing up liquid, nothing fancy. Area is this bookshelf. This one has also got a bit of build-up and dust, and I'm just going to tackle it, especially I don't know when the last time this was actually cleaned, so I'm so grateful I've given myself this 20 minutes to really tackle the areas that I really needed. And the light switches, the ones at the bottom, I always forget to do these. I do the ones at the top, but then there's the bottom ones too. Last but not least, the piping. So this one's also some areas that I always forget. I sometimes hoover it, but then never actually go through to get them cleaned. So I don't know when the last time these were actually cleaned. So you find yourself cleaning all the areas that you never do. So give yourself this time. It really is helpful. 14 seconds left, and that was quite intense for all the areas that I really wanted to get done. And I'm just going to turn off the I've managed to do everything that I wanted to do in that 20 minutes. Didn't expect to get all those areas done. They're like some of the areas that I always forget to do, so this was very helpful for me to complete the task. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it motivated you guys to get things done in 20 minutes only using one product. That's it for me. I hope you guys have a lovely day. Bye.